for clean alternatives to fossil fuels. Oil, coal, and natural gas power most of our civilization. But they also produce carbon emissions. Scientists have been exploring hydrogen as a clean energy source. Most hydrogen today is produced from fossil fuels. But a surprising discovery has changed everything. Hydrogen may already exist naturally underground. Part 2. What is natural hydrogen? Natural hydrogen, sometimes called white hydrogen, is hydrogen gas that forms naturally inside the earth. Unlike industrial hydrogen, it does not require electricity or fossil fuels to produce. It simply exists beneath the surface of the planet. Scientists believe this hydrogen forms through geological processes inside rocks. Part 3. How hydrogen forms inside the earth. One important process is called serpentinization. In this reaction, water interacts with iron-rich rocks deep underground. The chemical reaction releases hydrogen gas. Over time, this hydrogen can accumulate in underground reservoirs, very similar to natural gas deposits. Part 4. The first major discovery. One of the most famous discoveries happened in Borabogo. Villagers drilling a water well accidentally discovered hydrogen gas coming out of the ground. Scientists later confirmed it was a natural hydrogen reservoir. Today that gas is used to generate electricity for the local village. Part 5. Why natural hydrogen is important. Natural hydrogen could have huge advantages. No carbon emissions, continuous underground supply, lower production cost, massive global potential. Unlike green hydrogen, which requires renewable electricity, natural hydrogen may simply be extracted like natural gas. Part 6. Global exploration begins. Countries around the world are now exploring natural hydrogen deposits. Exploration projects are underway in France, Australia, United States. Some scientists believe natural hydrogen reserves may be extremely large, possibly enough to support global energy demand for centuries. Part 7. Could natural hydrogen replace fossil fuels? If large hydrogen reservoirs exist underground, energy systems could change dramatically. Oil wells might be replaced by hydrogen wells. Instead of drilling for hydrocarbons, we could drill for clean hydrogen gas. The energy industry might enter a completely new era. The next great energy discovery may not come from new technology, but from a clean fuel that has been hidden beneath the earth for millions of years.